Hey guys, Jules from Sprint Booster here. Today we're going to be doing an install on a 2016 BMW Diesel X5 M package. Before starting the installation on BMW and similar applications, you're going to have to reset the CAN bus. To do this, simply open your driver's side door, take your key fob, walk about 20 feet away, wait 10 minutes, and you're good to go. For BMWs with floor-mounted pedals, you'll have to remove the entire pedal assembly to install the Sprint Booster. To do this, you simply undo the Torx head bolt and then unclip the assembly from the floor. To remove the harness from the pedal assembly, simply squeeze both sides of the clip while pulling it outwards. Now you're ready to install the Sprint Booster between the harness and the pedal assembly.
Hi, my name is Mike. Just had JRP put in a Sprint Booster into my 2016 BMW X5. It's a diesel, so it had a bit of a lag, and it was killing me. So, let's see what this thing does. Okay, that was, that's pretty crazy. Right out of the gate, thing launches. That's pretty wild. Alright, so this thing maxed out at 9. So now I'm a little greedy. 5 was pretty awesome. I want to see what this will do. It's that's impressive for a tiny little chip we added on this thing. Love it. Go for it. Sprint Booster all the way. These things are incredible.
Okay guys, that was the Sprint Booster install on the 2016 BMW X5 Diesel M package. If you guys have any questions or comments, you can reach us at sprintboosterusa.com or sprintboostercanada.com.